Stop using the ChatGPT for every single problem. Here are the 5 AI tools which can use your daily basis and it can more productivity to the ChatGPT and cloud. And what is the 5 AI tools which can change the daily routine? And after that, it is add you the professionality and it will save the lot of time compared to the ChatGPT and the cloud. Compared to these tools and the tools, the ChatGPT will generate the more context when you speak or when you text anymore. It will not give the direct answers. And make sure this will help 5 AI tools. And make sure let's get into the video. Before that, there is a small request from me. Please make sure this channel subscribe. Why means I'm making the content which can consume people and which can educate them. But it is not reaching well. I'm doing my best and do the support and make sure share this video and like this video. It can help the lot of people there who are suffers. Okay, using ChatGPT and cloud. And let's get into the video. Here is the first AI tool, which is powered by the Google NotebookLM. Stop using the AI exams you have the going to the ChatGPT and uploading the PDF file and getting the answers and learning. It is time waste. Okay, use this notebook ML which can provide the hundred of pages. It can write the summarize the all the questions what are the topics you want and the here is the mind-blowing thing which can the mind map is crazy and which is it can generate the videos on the topics what you want and it can generate the what is the images you want the in the topics and it will almost read the thousands of pages in the context. And after that, we are head over to the a source panel having the which can read the documents and which can read the links, YouTube links or any kind of links, and it can read the Wikipedia and any kind of websites. Okay, just head over to the notebook ML and source panel and it will completely okay. Now the second tool which can automation, it can save the a hundred of hours of the business owners and the what are the small selling shops we have which can automate all the stuff you want. For suppose I want to post the LinkedIn every day but so many times issues and I don't have time, I can automate them and we can solve the problem. Like that we can automate all the stuff what we need. You can automate the your WhatsApp chats, your Telegram, and what is the you want to link your YouTube, any kind of stuff you want, you can automate the just drag and drop. It will make sure asking the APIs and make sure connect that APIs and it almost free for the a 14 days and it is for the tool which can a having the lot of works in the day and it can make sure decrease the a 50 to 60% of the people. And let's head over to the next tool which is cursor. Cursor is a platform which is it can build the entire apps using the AI like the anti-gravity and it is quite different to the anti-gravity and cursor. And cursor is the a platform which can you debug all the codes what you need and it is a tool which can use any kind of stuff what you need which you can build the apps which you can build the entire your plan and all the stuff. Okay, you can use the a free sources like the Opus and the 5.6 GPT-4 and there is a quite models there and try and build your own entire websites or any kind of stuff you want. And next head over to the next tool which is next tool is the perplexity. Why I'm saying using perplexity is quite different to the using a cursor and the ChatGPT and Gemini. Why means it can analyze the all the websites and it will give the frequently and accurately the answers. It can quite read the all the websites, hundred of websites in the a 1 minute less than. You want the a research team which you can build in the cursor and it will decrease the lot of time using the ChatGPT. Okay, it is time waste of the any kind of researcher or the script writing or any kind of you want to make the answers to quite and the responsive and genuine answers. Why means I'm telling it will automate the all the websites and together and it will give the answers using that and it will analyze the all the stuff in the internet and go there and it will analyze all the websites and it will come and it will give the answers. It is difference between the ChatGPT and the perplexity. It is there in the ChatGPT also, but the first implement happened in the perplexity only. And the next AI tool, which is the Level Labs. Level Labs, which is the my favorite tool. Why means it is help to grow the content, which is the content creators and any kind of stuff. Okay, you want to deal with the or you are dealing with the voice in the any kind of profession. It will make sure you productivity to any and just text what you want and it will you can clone with your voice or you have the plenty of voice there and you can generate the text into the voice converter. And these are the 5 AI tools randomly I am using every day. And I think this video helps you a lot and make sure don't forget to like video and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you next video signing off from. Okay, bye.